friends, welcome back to RVC Talk. So every day we are actually reviewing Nifty, Bank Nifty, and some of our friends who are actually trading on the US stocks, they are also using the same indicator, MWD Magic Levels indicator, and it seems to be really giving a good results when I talk to them. Okay, see, I won't be active in terms of any US stocks, but the based on the feedback from the team, I'm basically, I looked at a couple of stocks and I see that really working good. I thought, okay, I will do one quick video on Google on how it performed over a month period, not like 1 day, 2 day. I want to quickly run through this and for the entire December. Okay, starting in the December, this is the monthly low, weekly low, daily low, and these are the levels, right? High, these are the high side, right? Higher side, monthly, weekly, and daily. So if I start playing this, I'm actually running this in the 15 minutes time frame. So let's quickly look at this, what happens. So I keep talking about this and then I will stop. We'll analyze this one. And this one, we know this November month VWAP. Once this cross, definitely this is going to test this. That is how we every day we analyze our Indian stocks, right? I'll just zoom in a little so that we will have a better clarity. So it's testing this, but it's getting rejected every now and then, right? So, and last week, VWAP is giving a support here, and this is the day, okay, next day. So this keep changing it. Yeah. So I just would like, okay. See, basically here, finally, after on 4th December, 4 days later, the price crossed previous month VWAP. Now, as we are discussing, I'm expecting this to test this. Okay, sorry guys, I didn't actually check the chart. I didn't get time. So intentionally, I'm doing this video without looking at the chart. Okay. So there is a pullback. This is expected one, but the momentum seems to be towards upside. So the next day, if we look at this is on the 5th, so this is the VWAP, December 4th, previous day VWAP, this is the daily level, previous day VWAP, and it's probably is going to come here and test and then bounce back. Exactly, the same thing. Test this one and then cross these both the levels quickly, and let's hope this will go up now. Okay, don't worry about these colors. These colors are more because I do this setting on a Indian market, so these are extended hours, morning 3 o'clock to so different time zones, right? That's the reason why. Okay, you look at this, right? So fourth it crossed, and by 10th it tested this level, high of the week. Now, if you look at the overall market, the price is above monthly high, above previous month VWAP, and definitely we expect this to go and test and the next higher high because this high of the month is going to act as the strongest support, right? And that's how we are trading. Okay, there is no new rules I'm talking. It is the same thing what we documented, what we shared in our group. Okay, so let's continue with the play, right? So it tested this level exactly as what we planned, right? So this stock, what we are looking is a Google and a NASDAQ. And from here on the same day, once it crossed monthly high, it is able to find the right support and the momentum to test weekly high. Now let me continue what happens after this. Okay, see if after this I had this target. So high of the day, day high. So if this cross, my level is this, but there may be some retracement. That's how we need to plan, right? Yeah, some retracement, and then the momentum continuing here. This guy, the high of the week is holding that, it's able to pull this, and the high of the day is giving a lot of resistance. It's not able to cross, but next day market open here, and if it takes support again, and then yes, exactly. See, the way I'm talking, many of you definitely thinking, no, I had seen the chart. Trust me, I know. So the next day, we are on the 12th, and look at this. This is the next level. But this candle I see in a strong red candle after a long time, and probably this is going to play in some resistance here. Even if it try to come up, this may push the price down. But now it is able to break this level, so I'm expecting it to take a support. If not, then it will go down. So the market is flat here. You see, this is on 13th. From here to here, it's a complete flat market. Not able to push the price up, so it's a flat. Again, it's able to find the momentum. Now, this is the next week. Sorry, guys. Okay, I forgot to talk about this. This is the next week from here. Okay, so in this week, the high of the week is here, and let's see if this cross, what happens. Here, the round figure 200 is also there. So that probably may be pushing the price down, right? It may be rejecting this round figure $200. So it's trying to pull this price. So I know many of you are actually feeling bored, so I will increase it to 5. Here you had seen the last week view up has given the good support. If you observe, the price is actually slowly coming down, right? You notice this one after this fall, the price is not, it's actually hanging around this, and then this is coming down, right? Again on the 27th, so probably there won't be much volumes. Yeah, it's breaking this level. So this seems to be the flat market in the last 1 week, but what we had seen in the first 20 days, right? If you look at here, a good trading opportunities on this like 10 days, right? So from 4th, if we see the market actually crossed that monthly high on a 4th, and then by within a week it is able to go almost like $25 up, right? 100 and see this is somewhere at 171. It tested 200, right? $30 up after crossing the monthly high. Now, maybe let me make one or two videos where you will be able to clearly understand how these levels are effectively working. Let's have a quick look at that. Yeah, thank you very much.